This is a horn melon, or Kiwano, and it looks like, well, you would think a melon or anything else, but it's actually in the cucumber family. Last thing I would have guessed. Yeah, laugh. But I'll cut it and show you the cool part, one of the cool parts, aside from the horns. I think there's just a chance this may be a little overripe, but I'm just gonna... When you know it's in the cucumber family, it tastes a lot more like a cucumber than I remember. But it's sweeter, way sweeter, and very gooey. I know people that don't like it purely because it's gooey, but I still think it's pretty good fruit, and might as well try once.